Welcome to the world of Chanoyu, the Japanese tea ceremony. This ancient practice, steeped in history and tradition, offers a unique glimpse into the heart of Japanese culture. This beautiful tradition is not just about drinking tea. It's a spiritual and meditative experience that has been passed down through generations. The meticulous preparation and presentation of the tea, the serene environment, and the mindful interaction between host and guest all contribute to a moment of tranquility and connection. Each element, from the choice of utensils to the arrangement of the tea room, is carefully considered to create a harmonious experience. Join us as we explore the profound beauty and subtle intricacies of Chanoyu and discover how this timeless ritual can bring a sense of peace and mindfulness to our modern lives. Rooted in Zen Buddhism, the Japanese tea ceremony embodies the values of simplicity, mindfulness, and respect for others and nature. Every movement in the tea ceremony is deliberate and meaningful, designed to create a shared moment of mindfulness and connection. The tea room and its tools are designed to inspire simplicity and mindfulness, reflecting the beauty of imperfection in nature and life. Each element within the tea room, from the tatami mats to the hanging scroll, is carefully chosen to create a serene atmosphere. The tools used in the tea ceremony, such as the chawan, chasen, and chashaku, are not just functional, but also hold deep symbolic meaning. The act of preparing and serving tea is a meditative practice, emphasizing the importance of being present in the moment. This ritual encourages participants to appreciate the transient beauty of each moment, fostering a sense of peace and tranquility. The Japanese tea ceremony is a timeless tradition steeped in history and culture. It is a practice that has been passed down through generations, each step carefully crafted to create a moment of peace and reflection. This ceremony brings harmony and tranquility to those who experience it. The meticulous preparation of the tea, the serene environment, and the mindful interaction between host and guest all contribute to a unique and calming experience. Would you like to join this peaceful ritual? Imagine yourself being welcomed into a tranquil tea room, where every detail is designed to help you find inner peace and balance. Let us know in the comments below. Share your thoughts and experiences with us. Have you ever participated in a tea ceremony? How did it make you feel? We would love to hear from you.